This is the Toppin Air Purifier Bridge 4. So this is an air purifier meant specifically for large rooms. It covers 645 square foot, which is ideal for large offices, master bedrooms, living rooms, basements, pretty much anywhere that is a large open area. It's got a 4-in-1 HEPA filter, great for capturing particles, common allergens, odors, pet dander, smoke, dust, allergens, all the things you don't want floating around the air. The device itself has 4 levels of a fan speed plus a sleep mode on there. You can run it at low, medium, or high, with the lowest noise only coming in at 20 dB, so it is ultra quiet. It also has a smart auto mode, and it can sense the air quality and automatically adjust its fan speed to specifically correct the air for that area. So very cool. There is also a child lock to prevent it from being changed out of its place.